हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे शॉपिफाई से आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो आपके साथ 10 मुख्तलिफ तरीके जो हैं वो शॉपिफाई से अर्निंग करने के हम लोग शेयर करेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप लोग चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन शॉपिफाई 10 proven ways for 2022। Shopify is one of the largest e-commerce platforms that has grown up in popularity with over 1 million stores. Given that more and more consumers are shifting towards online shopping, store owners are open to a massive revenue opportunity. Sellers who find effective method of making money online marketing their service or products, build their reputation gradually and skyrocket their sales. But wait a second, is that easy to make money through Shopify? Yes, if you know how to. One of the most amazing things about Shopify is how easy it is to use for both retailers and customers. And best part is it is effortless to get started as a seller. Table of content here what we will cover. Start an e-commerce store, build a Shopify dropshipping business, become a Shopify affiliate marketer, start your own clothing line or accessory brand, develop a niche product and market it well, set up a local online grocery store, sell digital products and downloads, monetize your social media, offer your freelance service, sell print on demand product. Checklist before launching your Shopify store wrap up. Whether you own a small business or looking to start a new venture to make money with Shopify, there are several proven ways that many other sellers already use. We will go through how to make money on Shopify and provide tips for your business to grow fast. Things to do before you start a business on Shopify: create a business plan, validate and thoroughly consider your business idea before you invest. Find your e-commerce niche and define your target audience. Define a set of digital channels to promote your brand and product. Plan your SEO tactics. Consider starting a blog to boost SEO. How to increase your blog post engagement. Decide on shipping and payment method. Make sure your website is fully functional and aligns with Google and other search engine guidelines with proper design. Start an e-commerce store. If you are wondering how to make money on Shopify, start an e-commerce store can be your answer. The platform makes it easy for everyone to set up an online store without hassle. You have many different options about what to sell, such as handmade goods, something you sell, or a service you provide. Shopify is ideal for e-commerce than most similar platforms because it's simple to add items, curate them, and let your customers easily check out. Moreover, you can create a blog for your Shopify store to bring more organic traffic to your site. Helpful helpful Shopify SEO guide to give your store a head start with the basic SEO. In addition to a blog, you make use of Shopify app to increase your sale. There are a lot of apps and review in the app store. For example, you can find the best use upsell app for your Shopify store. Number two, build a Shopify dropshipping business. नंबर थ्री, बिकम अ शॉपिफाई एफिलिएट मार्केटर। आप लोग एफिलिएट मार्केटर बन के अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। स्टार्ट योर ओन क्लोथिंग लाइन और एसेसरी ब्रांड। डेवलप अ niche product and market it well. Set up a local online grocery store. Sell digital product and downloads. Monetize your social media. offer your freelance service, sell print on demand product, चेक बिफोर लॉन्चिंग योर शॉपिफाई स्टोर। तो ये 10 तरीके से जिनके ज़रिए से आप लोग अर्निंग कर सकते हैं शॉपिफाई से। आपसे मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।